Digital ultrasonic cleaners are specialized cleaning devices that utilize ultrasonic waves and a liquid cleaning solution to clean delicate and hard-to-reach surfaces. They are commonly used in various industries, including healthcare, electronics, and laboratory settings. Salient features: inner tank and outer body made of stainless steel 304. Digital LED display. Temperature with timer function. Ceramic heaters provide improved heating effect. Drainage and cool fan available in 6-liter to 25-liter. Overheat protector, cooling fan. Moisture-proof PCB. User-friendly. High-performance transducers. Technical specifications of digital ultrasonic cleaner. Inner tank material, stainless steel. Outer housing material, stainless steel. Ultrasonic frequency, 40 kHz. Heating, ambient to 80 degrees Celsius, digital controlled. Timer, 5 to 60 minutes. Power supply, AC 220 volts, 50 Hz, single phase. Contact us.